Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm here to tell you about the best steam carpet cleaning machines. You can go to your local hardware store or grocery store and rent steam cleaning machines. I would ask the people who work there if they've heard anything about this one or if that one works better. Ask around and see what people like best. Or get on the internet, look up steam cleaning machines, and read the reviews. People on the internet are sometimes brutally honest, and you'll be able to tell if that one worked well, if not, why it didn't, and maybe it'll still work for you. Always read reviews on the net first. Then go find a steam cleaning machine you like. If you want to rent it, then rent it. If you want to invest in one, if you look up the reviews on something like this and you think it's worth the $150, because, this will pay for itself once you've used it twice. This one's really great. You can go look up the reviews on it. It sprays out the fluid, the solution. It's got a scrub brush on the bottom that you can scrub your carpets with. And then it sucks the solution out of your carpet. I love this because it sucks the solution out. It dries your carpet also. It's awesome. So the best advice I can give you is to read the reviews. If you want to find the best anything, the best steam cleaning machine, the best vacuum, anything, read the reviews on the internet. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you find the best steam cleaning machine.